Are you out in the market looking for an ultrasonic cleaner to clean up your mouthpiece or your anti-snoring device or your retainer or jewelry or a long list of other things you would clean with this? Well, I am too. And I'm going to test it on my own stuff in this video, but first, let me tell you about it. This is an ultrasonic retainer cleaner machine. It is IPX6 waterproof. It uses UV. It has a 200 milliliter water tank, 3 cleaning modes, 3 different timers. It's straightforward, easy to use. Plug it in, put your item in the basket, fill it up with water. You turn it on, set your time, set your cleaning intensity, and it does the rest. So our cleaning mode times start at 2 minutes. It goes to 5 minutes and 10 minutes. 2 minutes for the light stuff, 5 minutes for your medium, like daily use stuff, and then 10 minutes for your extra grimy stuff. And same thing with your intensity modes. Low intensity for fragile stuff, mid intensity for daily use stuff, and then high intensity for the extra thick grime, whatever you got. The inside of the tank is made of stainless steel, so it is stain resistant. The whole unit is very quiet. It's basically just a little bit of background noise. If you're not paying attention to it, you're gonna miss it. The unit comes with a mesh basket, so you can get everything in and out without actually touching the water. So here's a look at the front of the unit. It's very straightforward. We have 3 different buttons. We have our on-off button, our timer button, and our settings button. 3 different time options. We have 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. And that's low cleaning, mid cleaning, and high cleaning. I think we're gonna go for 5 minutes. Once we get this going, this will turn yellow. Yellow means it's operating, and then when it's done, it'll turn green. The settings button adjusts the intensity. We have 3 different intensities. Low level is for fragile stuff, medium level is gonna be for daily use stuff, and then high level is gonna be for the hard to clean stuff. So I think we're just gonna do 5 minutes medium. I've got a couple mouthpieces we're gonna try out here. This is an anti-snoring device, and I didn't wash it this morning. I left it grimy for the test, and then this is the other half of the anti-snoring device. So let's put some water in and see how clean we can get these things. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Got a little tray here. I think we have to do these one at a time, so I'm just gonna drop this one in first. Maybe I'll flip it over. There we go, that fits a lot better if it's flipped over. Now I'm just gonna put in some water. There is a max fill line back there, and we're just gonna go for 5 minutes on medium intensity. And as you can see, we got the little screen up top. This thing is pretty quiet here. I'll put the mic next to it so you can hear it. Light is green, timer is 0. We are done, and let's take a look. It looks very clean, pretty cool. Let's try the other one. Put the other thing in the basket, drop it in. This one's extra grimy. I'm gonna put in fresh water. This one's pretty tall, so we're going to the max fill line, and let's go for another 5 minutes. And we're all done. Let's dive in, take a look. Looks a lot cleaner, feels a lot cleaner. This needs a little more love though, but not today. So if you're in the market for an ultrasonic cleaner, for retainers, for mouthpieces, for jewelry, or anything else you would want an ultrasonic cleaner for, well, maybe this one is for you.